What if success has less to do with talent and more to do with how you grow? What if the people who achieve extraordinary things are not the most gifted, but the ones who keep developing their hidden potential? In this video, I'm sharing key ideas and personal reflections from Hidden Potential by Adam Grant. This book challenges the idea that greatness is only for naturally talented people and shows how growth, character, and consistent learning can unlock far more potential than most people realize. The central message of this book is powerful. Potential is not fixed. Success is not only about intelligence, talent, or early advantages. Instead, growth comes from how you learn, how you respond to challenges, and how consistently you improve over time. Hidden potential is developed, not simply discovered. One of the biggest ideas in the book is this: your character often matters more than your natural ability. Qualities like discipline, humility, persistence, and adaptability create long-term success. Focus on improving daily habits. Stay teachable and open to feedback. Build resilience instead of chasing perfection. Consistent growth beats natural talent over time. Learn through discomfort. Growth usually happens outside your comfort zone. Many people avoid challenges because they fear failure, but discomfort is often a sign that learning is happening. Steps. Try things you're not naturally good at. Allow yourself to be a beginner. Treat mistakes as feedback, not identity. Improvement requires temporary struggle. The book emphasizes gradual progress. Extraordinary success is often built through consistent, small improvements. Focus on getting 1% better daily. Tiny improvements compound over time. Surround yourself with growth-minded people. Learn from mentors and teachers. Create environments that encourage learning. Your environment influences your potential. Many people think confidence comes first, but real confidence often develops through effort and improvement. Focus on progress instead of perfection. Celebrate small wins. Build evidence through consistent action. Confidence grows when you prove to yourself that you can improve. One lesson I personally took from this book is this: many people underestimate themselves too early. They think they're not talented enough, when in reality, they simply haven't given themselves enough time, effort, and opportunity to grow. Hidden Potential reminds us, you are more capable of growth than you think. Your future is not determined only by talent, but by how consistently you learn, adapt, and keep improving. If this message resonated with you, comment "Keep Growing" below as a reminder to never underestimate your potential. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs encouragement to believe in their growth journey. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.